Have you ever tried to get ready in the morning to go somewhere, to go for a drive, or to get ready for work? You schedule yourself to get ready at the same time. You leave yourself 10 minutes of time to drive there and to get to your destination. But the problem is, you wake up, you look outside, and it's snowing, or there's a bit of ice on all of your windows of your car. So, you go to your car, but you've got 15 to only 10 minutes to get to where you have to be. But it's going to take you about 10 minutes to get all of the ice and snow off of your car. So then you have to rush and try to scrape all of that off of there. That's happened to me several times. When I get up in the morning and I get ready and I want to go somewhere, but I always forget to leave myself a little bit of extra time in the morning when it's cold outside. But I guess that's what happens when you're used to the warm weather, and growing up in the warm weather for most of my life, more than half of the time. I guess I just have never really gotten used to the cold. I've always preferred the warm weather, but the cold weather does allow me more time to draw, since there's not really as much to do. I don't really feel like going places that much because I really don't like driving in the snow. I don't have any trouble driving in the snow, and it's just that I usually have to watch out for other drivers, and it's kind of always been that way. But anyways, don't forget to leave yourself some extra time in the morning, being that it's colder out and icy. But I'm going to go ahead and make myself some food, drink some water, and work on some more doodles. Until then, thank you for watching, and have a good day.